The quality of laser safety glasses on the market varies widely. The price difference is huge. However, choosing the wrong safety glasses might be completely ineffective. Therefore, we built a professional test bench. Experiments to show you how to choose laser safety glasses.
Like transparent to the sunglasses. Are you ready? This is an accident on site. Please don't buy this from them, okay? Your eyeball is basically giant magnifying glass. When laser hits your eye, your crystalline lens focuses down to a microscopic point on your retina. In that split second, the energy density spikes by 100,000 times. That means even a low-power laser, something that doesn't even feel hot, can damage the nerves in your retina, cause instant, irreversible harm or even blindness. Therefore, wearing protective goggles is critically important. Think your sunglasses can block laser radiation? Think again. In this video, we put 3 types of laser eyewear to ultimate test. The no-standard laser safety glasses and the regular sunglasses I'm wearing, and the high-standard DMK professional laser safety glasses. So we're using the high-power laser diodes and the magnifying glasses and the balloon to simulate the human eye. We show exactly what happens when laser safety is ignored. Boom, boom. And this is not okay. So now we invite our engineer, Mr. Lei, to help us to do the testing. So welcome. So first, we have 3 eyewears. This first one, I'm going to test this one first. This is very low standard laser glasses. So you can see this not marked anything like wavelengths and OD values. So what will happen? So maybe now this is your time to help us to understand this better. And this distance is almost like your eye wearing the normal glasses. We also have this power supply. Most importantly, we need to put the glasses on during the testing. Ladies and gentlemen, because this is very fast, it just split a second. So we're going to see what happens. Watch the balloon. So, are you ready? Okay. Boom! You can see? So, under the normal low standard glasses, the laser beam will instantly penetrate the balloons. So imagine if this is aiming your eyeball. So, okay, this is very direct. Now we're going to test the second one. Lasers are infrared radiations. So the IR is almost like transparent to the sunglasses. It can only block the dark light, but cannot block the radiation. So hope you can help us to test this one. So make sure that the lens and the glasses as close as possible, like the human wearing the glasses, okay? And we need power on the pump diodes. Are you ready, gentlemen? Boom! Wow, pop. It's very quick. So you can see this is sunglasses. So imagine even you are wearing the sunglasses and the laser testing, like laser welding, laser cleaning, this can damage, this can cast your eye retina or bone. This is very harmful. So don't do this. But now, the most exciting time, we're going to test the third glasses. Okay, can you help us to take out this one? You can see this high standard laser glasses is clearly labeled like the wavelengths 980, so 1100 nanometer, and also 830 to 980. So now let's find out. What will happen? Do you think is no? Okay, are you ready? Boom! This is not okay. Well, gentlemen, this is an accident on site. I didn't expect the balloon burst, popped, because I said this is a high standard, but I made something wrong. This is my fault because this is OD6. Actually, what we're going to test is OD8. And before testing, this is a concept introduction about the OD. It means the attenuation ability of the lasers. So OD1 means like 90% attenuation. ODA means 99.99. Basically means 100 million attenuation ability more than the OD1. So now we're going to get the ODA class, ODA goggles. Here we have the goggles. So here exactly shows the ODA and the wavelength range. Okay. Now we change this. Everything's ready. Make sure the distance and the testing value, everything is same like the last one. Okay. The click. You did the test, right? So it's safe. You can see. Can you do it again? So it's safe. Can you do it again, please? Just I can do. Yeah. So, boom, improved. So ODA is much more advanced than the OD6. Okay, before you go, so Miss Lei, we're going to do something special for our audience. So this is a random testing, so you can see we have this laser DMK menu. We'd like to show our audience, our followers, what will happen without the goggles. We generate the laser from the diodes directly of the magnifying glasses. Maybe this better. It's okay. So let's do it. And okay, what happened? Wow, you can see the papers instantly cast fire. You see. So thank you for helping me do the testing. So audience, you might be curious about how do we pick the right laser goggles. So here we show you 3 steps. The first one is matching the wavelengths. If your laser is like let's say 1064, then you can choose the 1064 protections. Low match is low protection. So, and also check the OD values. The OD value is very important. Before we're testing, we have OD1 and OD6 and OD8. And the ODA is the final winner. So we're going to choose the right one according to the lens. And the second is certification. We have like a USA and EU and China certification here, so you can see the screens. If the owners, the sellers don't have this certificate, please don't buy this from them, okay? The one last thing, these are consumables. The dye of the lens is degraded due to the oxidation and exposure. So even there are no scratches, so after like a few years, it's better for you to update the lenses. And you can find these options from an e-commerce platform, and you can contact our sales teams. So If you find this video is helpful, so please contact and follow us and the comments. Thanks for watching.